It is Thursday, third period at Kyushu Institute of Technology, Iizuka campus. Today is class number 7, as you can see up on my screen. To remind you, because it's important enough, and I know I've been saying this a lot, next week on our schedule is the 29th. Well, today's the 22nd. The 29th is a Tuesday schedule, so we don't have any classes. But after that will be our test. Okay? Now, with the test, make sure that you bring your computer, you bring your headphones, and make sure that your headphones are working on the day of the test. Even if the night before you checked and they were okay. I've had some students say that as they sat down, suddenly their AirPods weren't working or whatever, so make sure that you check that before you start the test. Make sure that your computer has enough battery power, and I suggest you bring in your recharger, just in case. Also, too, the test will be, you have 90 minutes to answer the question, so we're going to start right away. Please make sure you come on time. And probably you don't need 90 minutes. Most of my students finish in about 60 minutes, in about 70 minutes, so 90 minutes is actually plenty of time to do this test. Now, this week, you don't have that much in terms of homework, but, oh, that's what I forgot to talk about. The content of the test will be Unit 1 in Working in Japan. Unit 7 is after the test. All of the listening and the reading that we did, the vocabulary, and also the practices that we did in class. All of that will be very important. So make sure that you download the answers to the reading questions so you can study them for the test as well too. And you have your homework submission number 4. Now that one is the first one for Unit 7. Unit 7 is not on this test. Okay? This midterm test is only Unit 1 for the textbook. So this is the first one for Unit 7, but it's not on the test. Okay. I'll take that. Oh, there you go. Next, after the homework submissions, you have a grammar quiz as well too. Okay. This will be due on June 9th. So there's a lot of time for this. This is after the test. You don't have to worry about this right away. Okay. And you have a reflection. Some of you are still making the mistake of typing your reflections. Don't type your reflections. I want you to write them by hand, take a picture, and then send them up. That's the way I want you to do your reflections. Okay? And after the test, yeah, that's about it. Okay. If you ever have any questions, please make sure that you come and talk to me. Or in the middle of the week, you can always email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, and I'll try to answer your questions there. Okay, let's have a good class, everyone.